Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the cow pasture. We're gonna take up the Eagle. This is the Dancing Wings Eagle. Eagle version 2. But really looks like a bird, don't it? Got a 2200 in it right underneath the wing spar, and basically she's a glider. This is her maiden flight. Just put her together with hot glue and the kit. Put in my own electronics. I think I've got a 20 or a 1200 kV brushless motor in her, but she's got no kind of gyro or stabilization in her at all. So, and it's kind of windy here today, but kind of cool though, isn't it? Well, anyways, there you go. That is the Dancing Wings Eagle version 2. As you can see, you've got aileron control, got a V-tail type configuration, and let's see, now we got you know what, no, that's right. Yeah, that'd be right. So if I want to go left, yeah, that'd be right. Okay, cool. All right, let's try taking her up again. Precision, the controls are a little sloppy. I do need to get in there and but the nice thing about her is she's got those wingtip light or wingtips on there, which acts as a little bit of polyhedral, making her very, very stable. Yeah. Birds are probably confused, going, huh? Of course, I don't really have any birds today, do they? That is so cool. That is just so cool. Talk about slow. Oh, that is so neat. Got a 2200 in there, but she just needs a very little throttle to get going. So that 2200 will last me, I could probably fly for half an hour the way I'm flying right now. Well, here we go, folks. That is the Eagle, and we will try to get this taken care of. No. All right. Well, anyways, fun little plane. Looks like it's, you know, nice little slope glider. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.